Have you ever watched kids animation videos on YouTube? Those kid animation videos are quite colorful and having cool animations, and channels that create such kind of videos are making a lot of money on YouTube. Take a look at this channel right here. Based on Social Blade statistics, you can see that this channel is earning about $7.6 thousand a month to about $122,000 a month right now, and you can actually to see how much they are earning yearly right here. So this is actually to show you that this part of niche, or this particular niche, is profitable right now, and I'm going to walk you through how to do this in a step-by-step manner as we stick on to this video. So the first thing which you want to get done is to create a script for the video which you want to just simply generate, and you can easily create script right there with this particular platform called ChatGPT. Once you head onto ChatGPT, you want to just simply type in a prompt such as this, and you can just simply type in something that says, I want to make a kids learning video about the alphabet in fruits. Please write an engaging and interesting video script. Once you do that, guys, you just need to click on enter, and ChatGPT will actually do the job for you by creating a very cool and amazing video script, as you can see right here on the screen. So all that you need to do right now is to just simply go on to copying this script. Now if I do copy the script right now, we need to go on to converting this script into a voiceover right now, or an audio. And to do that, guys, I'm going to be utilizing a very cool and amazing free text to speech AI tool called the ttsfree.com. Now you can use any other cool AI tool right there that can convert text to speech, but I'm going to be sticking with this one right now. Once I come onto this section, I'm going to paste in the script, and I'm just going to go on to editing the script to remove all unnecessary parts from this particular script. So as you can see right now, the script has actually been edited by me. You can then just simply scroll down to this particular section, select the voice which you want to use, and mind you guys, to convert any voice to actually sound like a child voice, you need to just simply go on to increasing the voice pitch. Now if I do increase the voice pitch to something like 30 right now, or 35%, I'm just going to go on to reducing the speed to make it quite slow. Now once that has actually been done, I just need to go on to clicking on convert now. Now you can see, guys, that this is actually going through the processing phase, and once this is done processing, I'll be able to preview the voiceover and listen to how cool that sounds. Now listen to how this sounds right now.
Welcome to the exciting world of fruits and alphabets. Today, we're going to embark on a delicious journey through the alphabet, exploring the wonderful world of fruits. A is for apple. Look at this shiny red.
So I guess you heard how cool that actually sounds. Now, if you're satisfied with this, all you need to do is to click on download mp3, and that will actually be downloaded on your device that you're utilizing right here. So when that has successfully been downloaded, what we need to do is to get a very cool character we want to utilize for our video. Now we can actually go on to Google right now, and once we do go on to Google, we want to just simply search for the Adobe Express. Now if you do search for that right now, you can see this particular option right here, which is Adobe Express. You want to just simply select that right there. It's going to bring you to a page such as this, and you want to come onto this search section. In this section, I'm just going to want to type in something like animate from audio. Now if I do select this option right now, as you're going to see, it's going to load through, and I'll be able to see some cool characters to select from and go on to editing. Now the cool thing about this platform is that while editing, is actually going to go on to lip syncing with our audio right there. So this particular platform is going to help us do just that. The character is going to just simply lip sync to our audio. Now take a look at this, guys. This is actually an amazing characters that you can see on the screen. Once this successfully load up, you'll be able to see much more characters that you can just simply select from. So take a look at this, guys. Here are actually some cool and amazing characters right now, and you can just simply scroll through. You can see the character I'm using right here. You can select any of the characters available right here for your video right now. Now you can see, maybe I'm just going to go on to sticking with this particular character, as you can see on the screen right now. Now if I want to stick with this character, I can actually make this smaller and just simply adjust this to my preference right now. So if I do adjust this particular character to my preference for the full body to actually fit in, you can actually do see how cool this looks like. Now once this is actually done, you want to click on browse. Once you do select the browse option, it's going to take you to your device for you to select that exact same audio. Now you want to select that audio right there which you actually downloaded or converted as the voiceover of our video. Once you click on open right now, that will actually be selected. So as you can see right now, the voiceover is actually going through the uploading phase. Now you need to be patient a little because this might take quite a while for this to actually get done. So as you can see right now guys, it's actually computing the head movement and also the lip sync. You need to just simply be patient until this actually gets to 100% before you can actually get your video. Now take a look at this guys. Your video has actually been generated, of which you can just simply click on this play icon and you can listen to how cool it sounds.
Welcome to the exciting world of fruits and alphabets. Today, we're going to embark on a delicious journey through the alphabet, exploring the wonderful world of fruits. A is for apple. Look at this.
Now that sounds quite good, right? Then you can just simply go on to downloading the video right here by clicking on this download icon. Once the video has successfully been downloaded on your device, we're gonna move on to the next phase. And guys, mind you, it is quite important you actually do use a green screen for the background right there, because you can change your background anytime you actually do want when selecting a character. It is important to use a green screen, or if you want to use any other background of your choice, you can do that, but I do prefer utilizing a green screen right now. So once that has actually been done, we want to head onto this particular platform right there, which is called canva.com. Now we're going to use Canva for our following editing right here. We just need to come onto Canva, select the video option and select this blank video. Now you want to utilize the landscape option, of which guys, you're actually going to be brought to a page that looks quite similar to this. Now once you're actually brought to this page right here, you want to just simply go onto the element section, and maybe you want to just simply go into searching for cartoon background. Now if you just search for cartoon background right here, you will be able to see a lot of options available to you in the photos, graphics and video section. Now supposing I do go into the video section right now, you can see a lot of backgrounds available right now in this particular section right now. Now maybe I'm going to want to just simply go onto the graphics section. If I do go onto the graphics section, you can see a lot more other cool and amazing backgrounds, of which I can just simply select one background right now. Now if I do want to utilize this background, I'm going to select that. I'm just going to go into stretching the background to actually fill the entirety of the video, or we adjust that as the size. Once I've selected this, maybe I want to just simply go on to selecting this set section and just simply type in animated sun. So if I do search for animated sun right now, I'll be able to see a very cool and animated sun that I can just simply go on to utilizing to make the place quite looking bright. So I'm just going to add some other cool and amazing characters right now. As you can see, I can just simply fix that in right there. I can just simply go on to searching for animated trees. So if I do search for that right there in the graphics section, you'll be able to see a lot of cool and amazing animated trees. And I can just simply drag this one right now, drop in this section right here and just simply edit that to my preference. Now you can see how cool this is actually looking right now in this section. Now I could just simply bring this and you can see how cool it's looking. You can actually go into adding more trees if you do want right now. I'm just going to go into adding this one right here in this particular section. Now you can see that has actually been added right there and it's looking quite cool right now. So you could just simply add as many trees as you actually do want right now. I'm just going to add this to this section and actually going to reducing the size. Now once you've added as many as you are okay with, next you just need to go on to adding a very cool and amazing character that you actually do want. But first, I'm just going to come right here, click on this three dots and actually duplicate this page. After duplicating the page, I'm going to add in a very cool text, and that text guys, I could just simply type in something like A for apple. So once I type in something like A for apple right now, I could just simply go on to adding cool and amazing effects for this. Maybe I'm going to just simply use an outline, and I'm just going to go on to utilizing a white outline right here. Now once this has actually been done, I'm just going to make this bigger. Then I could just simply take that to the top section right here. If I do put this right here in this section, I could just simply go on to animating this. Now if I click on animate, you can actually just see a lot of cool and amazing animations right now that you could just simply leverage. And if I select this animation, I can actually do increase the intensity or reduce that based on my preference. Now once that has actually been done, next we need to go on to adding our characters. But before we add our characters, since I'm actually talking about A for apple, I'm just going to go on to inserting an element, go into the element section and search for animated apple. Now once I do search for animated apple, I can actually do see a lot of cool and amazing apples. I'm just going to select this one right now I'm going to reduce the font size or the size of this. If I reduce this right here, I'm going to just simply set for animated legs and hands. So once you search for something like this which says hands and leg, if you go into the graphics section, you can see a lot of options right now. I'm just going to select these legs and actually reduce the size to fit in quite properly. Now I'm also going to do the same thing for the hands right now. So as you can see guys, that has actually been done, but you can see right now that the hands are actually showing on top the apple right now. So which is why I'm just going to go on to highlighting all of them. To highlight them guys, you just need to select that and just simply select each and every one of them right now. Once that has actually been selected, you want to just simply click on this position section, click on layer, and you want to just simply draw them to the bottom section just beneath the apple. Now once that has been done, you can see that that looks better. Now you just need to go to highlighting the apple also. Once the apple has been highlighted, you want to just simply group all of them, and you could just simply come onto this section to animate the apple. Now you could click on create an animation, then you just need to go on to dragging this and selecting how you want the motion to be like. Now I've selected the motion and you can see how cool this actually looks like. To make this look quite better, you can actually click on smooth to actually make it look much more smoother right now. Now once this has actually been done, you can see right here that we're done with the A for apple section. Now once you're done with this, next we need to actually go on to inserting our voiceover. Now to go onto that, click on upload, and you want to click on upload file and upload the voiceover right now. Also upload the character image or video right there. As you can see, they are actually going through the uploading phase. But before you do that guys, let's just simply scrap out this character section. So right here guys, this is the voiceover which I'm just going to drag and drop right now in this particular section. Now once you drag and drop that guys, you need to edit that to make sure that the A for apple actually starts from this particular section that the A is actually is. So right now guys, once that has been properly adjusted, what I'm going to do right now is to actually come right here and shorten this to this section to where A for apple actually stops, and I'm just going to go on to duplicating this right now. So once I come right here, click on that three dot, duplicate this. I'm just going to go on to changing this A for apple to something like B for ball, B for banana to actually fit into the script. Once that has been done guys, I need to change this apple to a banana. So I'm just going to click on group right now. I'm going to come right here, delete the apple, and I'm just going to go into searching for on the element section. I'm just going to search for animated banana. So once you successfully search for the animated banana, go onto the graphics right now, and you're going to see a lot of cool graphics. I'm going to select this particular one right now. When that has actually been selected, I'm just going to go on to making sure that this actually fits in properly with this right here. So as you can see, this actually looks better. I'm just going to go on to moving this to this particular section right now, and I'm just going to go on to reanimating each and every one of them. To do that, go on to grouping each and every one of them as one, go on to the animation section once more, and go on to creating an animation. So I'm just going to move this as it is like this and just simply come back here. Now you can see how cool this looks like. I'm going to click on smooth, and you can see how cool this actually looks like right now. Now once this has all been done, you want to just simply do the same thing for each and every one of them right now, and you could just simply go on to downloading this particular image on your device, or rather this video on your device. Now once you click on share right now, it's going to come up, of which you can just simply select the download icon. As you can see the download icon right here, select that and download this video. So guys, what we're actually going to do right now is to finish the remaining of the editing phase on this particular platform called CapCut. Now you can use any video editing tool, but I'm going to utilize CapCut right now. I'm going to click on this new project. Now you want to just simply click on this import option to go on to importing both the video you just downloaded from CapCut right now and also the character video which you actually created with Adobe. So take a look at this right now guys. Both videos have actually been imported. All I actually need to do is to just simply select this one right now, inside the first video right here, and you want to just simply put the character video as an overlay just above the main video. To do that, I'm just going to drag that and drop that right here in this section. So once that successfully fits in, what we need to do next is to remove the green screen from this particular character video. To do that guys, we just need to select the video, head on to this particular cutout section, and you could actually select the chroma key and also the auto cutout right now. Now if you select the chroma key right here, just simply check out this auto cutout right now, and you can see that it's actually processing. Once this gets to 100%, the green screen will actually be removed from the particular video. So after that, guys, just simply take a look at how the video actually looks like.
Welcome to the exciting world of fruits and alphabets.
So you can see right now the character. You can see right now the character is actually at the middle. What I'm going to do right now is to actually go on to moving the character to actually be at the side because of our apple and banana characters that we actually go on to being at this left hand side right now. So I'm just need to actually move this character to be at the side right here, and you can see that this actually looks quite better. Now once you're actually done with this, all you need to do is to click on the export icon at the top right corner of your screen right now and just simply export this video on your device. So as you can see right now, guys, the video is actually going through the exporting phase. Once it's done exporting, we can take a look at how cool the video actually looks like.
Welcome to the exciting world of fruits and alphabets. Today, we're going to embark on a delicious journey through the alphabet, exploring the wonderful world of fruits. A is for apple. Look at this shiny red apple. It's crunchy and sweet, perfect for a healthy snack. B is for banana. Bananas are yellow and curved, just like a smile. They're packed with energy.
So guys, basically that's how easy it is to go on to creating cool and amazing videos for kids right now and start uploading on YouTube to make similar amount to which this channel right here is actually making. Now, if you're actually new to my channel, guys, I make videos on cool ways to make money online, and if you like such kind of content, you can check out the videos on my channel. You may want to just simply go on to hitting the like button to the video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on your notification bell on all so that you will always get alerted whenever I do release some new cool videos to help you actually boost your income online. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.